YouTubers, it's me, Bianca. I have a bird. His name is Powder. He's a cockatoo, the big white ones with the umbrella things. I'm selling him for $1,000 or best offer. And I just want to let you know that he's up for sale. I'm going to be putting some pictures up on MySpace if you want to contact me on MySpace for more information. But if you're interested, my MySpace URL is, wait 1 second. myspace.com/snugglebunny1235. It's SNUGGLEBUNNI1235. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing your friend requests or messages on MySpace.